Hey everybody, it's Rain Tech Productions, and today I'm going to show you how to make a web browser in Visual Basic 2010. So let's get started. If you don't have Visual Basic 2010, a download link will be in the description, so just check there. Want to open up Visual Basic. Wait for this to load. Alright, just like that. As you can see, I've made a couple already, or a couple tries anyway, but I'll try it too. Just click New Project, Windows Forms Application, and name it anything you want. I'm just gonna name it Tutorial Web Browser for YouTube. Alright. And now if you want to make it specialized for you, I'm using Windows 7, so just go to Start, search Programs and Files, type in Screen Resolution, click Adjust Screen Resolution, and there's your screen resolution, 1366 by 768 for me. I'm on a laptop. So just go here, and I'm gonna scroll all the way down here and type in 1366 by 786. Alright, so that's my screen resolution, as you can see. So now what you want to do is start position, center screen. I like to do that, maximized. Alright, so come up here, text form 1, just change this to whatever you want. I'm just gonna type YouTube web browser. Yeah, so that's about all you need. So now go to your toolbar, and you want to find a status strip. Double click on that, and it'll add it to the bottom. You want to find a, let's see if I can find it, menu strip, and use that. And you also want to find a tool strip and add that. Alright, so once you've done that, type and file here, type and view here, type favorites. This is favorites that you want to program into your web browser. And here you want to add one button for back, forward, refresh, stop, home. You want to do a text box and another button and another text box and another button. So real quick, I'm gonna come down here and resize these. Let me pause the video so it doesn't take up any of the time, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I resized the text boxes to what they should look like, just like that. So now what you want to do is click once on any of these buttons and go over here to the properties and find image and choose whatever image you want. So click on ... import image files, all files, because I have icons that I've made. Back. Okay. Alright, so after you do that, go to text and name this back. Alright, so do that for every one of these buttons. So once again, I'll be right back once I finish these buttons. Alright, so I've made most of the buttons. This is back, forward, refresh, I haven't found a picture for, stop, home, over here, go, and search. Okay, so now what you want to do is find a tab control, like this, double click that, and what you want to do is click this little itty bitty arrow right here, and it should be there, but I guess it's not. Alright, so gonna have to come down here. It might be there for you, but I guess it's not for me this time. But find dock and click on the little center thing like that. It'll fill up the page. And now what you want to do is find tab pages collection and remove both of the tab pages and click OK. Okay, so now you want to scroll down here to the status strip, make one status label, and hold on, I'm trying to rename this. I have to come over here, I just now remember that. Alright, so come over here and change the text to nothing and hit enter. And now add a progress bar, and that's about it for the looks. You can add an about up here for if you want people to know about who made it, so I'm just gonna type about right there. So now let's save all and click debug. And that's what it's going to look like when you use it. You will type in here and click this. It'll go to a web page, and that's about it. So let's add in the file, view, favorites, and about. I'm gonna pause the video and come back when it's done, and I'll show you what it is. Alright guys, I'm back. I added all of these. What you want to do is file, and you want to add new window, close window, a separator, and if you don't know how to do that, it's right here. But new tab, close tab, another separator, page setup, print preview, print, another separator, properties, and exit. Under view, wow, I don't know why view isn't showing. Alright, let's go back to it. Favorites, alright, this is really getting my notes. Alright, YouTube, Facebook, you can add whatever you want. I just put those. About, I didn't add anything under that. View, back, forward, separator, refresh, stop, separator, home, go, search. Alright, just like that. So just click save all, build, and in my next tutorial I'll be showing you how to code these. So later, YouTube. Check in the description for the download for Visual Basic and my email if you need any help. So peace out, YouTube.